Contestants, come on down! It's time for room makeovers. First, let's pick your starting price. Now let's see how much you got. Just add water and boom! Looks like Adele's got $100. But Karen's got $1 million gold card. Here, this should get you into character. Now it's time for the games to begin. Let's show them to their rooms. First up, Karen's got a gold brick. Add some heat, and it's our new paint. Now let's add some glitter. And get your roller ready. You'd think she could pay someone to do this. Either way, that's one bright room. Back to the game. You're on, Adele. There should be some paint out here. It's time to make some handprints. And in your favorite color, rainbow. But that's not all. Take some paint and let it drip on down the wall. Isn't it great when gravity does half the work? Now let's order some furniture, like a brand new bookcase.
Yeah!
What, you wanted a bed? Well, we'll just have to make do. You can lie down on top and still have spaces for all your stuff. Now let's make that bed. Your turn. Let's grab a mattress. Whoops, this one's taken.
Oh no!
What else can we use? A balloon? Now there's an idea. Add a bunch to some casing. And suck up the excess air. You've got a new twist on an air mattress. Next up, pool noodles. What can't they do? Here's an idea. Cover a waste bin. Add the right decor. After all, every queen needs a throne. As for you, blow up some plastic bottles. Join them together with duct tape. Now cover up. And enjoy your new seat. Ooh, Karen's setting up a portrait gallery. But it could use a creative touch. Ah, the Krampus look, a classic. Oh, everybody's a critic. Well, we'll try something else. Like, how about these toys? They're worth every penny. Especially after a little gold dip. Now hang them up for your own mini museum. Looks like Adele's got a special bonus. A grocery cart full of goodies. Ooh, Sintapon or polyester wadding. Well, use it to make a shape. Fill it up so it's soft and fluffy. And we've got a cloud full of stars. Ooh, Adele sending Karen a message. Another portrait. I like her crown. But she's got other plans for this balloon. Like covering it up with toilet paper. Gold-plated, no less. Add some glue. And pop the balloon inside. Now light up your brand new lantern, complete with a tiny basket. Adele, it's your turn. Any ideas? Ooh, what a pretty pink dress. Now you get to play. Help Adele go through the maze and win the dress. Time's running out. Did you guess? Here's the route. Nobody here but us mannequins. Free? Well, turnabout's fair play. Okay, the dress is nice, but we can also use the mannequin. Of course, it'll need some sprucing up first, like some pink and purple paint. Now that's art with a lot of heart. Ah, the artiste is almost finished. Ooh, she's getting an idea. Let's add this giant bulb on top. She's got a bright head on her shoulders. What's he up to? Ooh, a nightstand. Well, at least it pays for itself. And paper's always great for crafts. Now let's add to a roller so we can spread the wealth around. Really spruces up that stand. Whoops, it ain't safe to be a dinosaur. But maybe Adele's got some ideas. Well, it's not going back. Wait, here's an idea. Grab a glue gun. Add that plate in between. And the dino will hold it for you. It can use a little ketchup drizzle. It's the ultimate dipping sauce. Karen, I think it's time to upgrade your mirror. Much better. Set it down and let's give it a nice border. It just needs something shiny. Maybe a dash of gold paint, too. Everything's looking good. That's enough lipstick. Shame to let it go to waste. But first, we'll need a mirror. Or something nice and reflective. It needs something. Ooh, like candy. Not exactly a buyer's market. Got anything in our price range? Well, better than nothing, I hope. Wait, is that? Yes, candies! Just unwrap it and give it a good lick. Now stick them around your new mirror. Ah, pink is really your color. It's time to pick a winner, and the choice is yours. Write your choice in the comments. And now, drum roll please. Our winner, Adele!
Yeah! Woohoo!
And let's show her what she's won.
Yeah!
Okay, everyone, that's a wrap. Don't forget to lock up now.
Huh?